Welcome to Awaken XT, where we explore the transformational path of spiritual growth and self-realization. It is an extraordinary experience that will truly touch your life. As you embark on this journey, you will discover the hidden blessings in the universe's offering and learn how to tap into your infinite potential. In this enlightening adventure, we delve into ancient wisdom and modern techniques that connect mind, body, and spirit. Through a combination of meditation, yoga, and sacred rituals, you will learn to cultivate a state of inner peace, love, and abundance. As you progress through the different levels of this experience, you'll connect with a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about exploring the great. Together, you will embark on magical quests that will take you to the far reaches of the universe and allow you to witness the beauty of the universe in all its divine splendor. So are you ready to experience the transformative power of Awaken XT and unlock the endless blessings of the universe's offering? Join us today and enter a world of unlimited possibilities. This is your moment, your journey, and your story. Let's embark on this extraordinary adventure together.